So this is the class on discussing cusp. Cusp is a point on the curve where its concavity doesn't change. Okay, concavity will remain the same at the point. Then it is said to be cusp. This curve, if you go through the graph here, at the point x equal to 0, concavity changes. So this point you can consider as point of inflection, but not cusp. Point of inflection is the point where that concavity of the curve changes at this point. But there is another thing here. You cannot say there is a point of inflection here, because here at the just at the point x equal to 0, it is concave up and concave down after x equal to 0 plus. So this cannot be point of inflection also. Cusp is especially cusp especially will arise where the bending of the curve changes abruptly. This is the ideal example for the curve where there is a cusp at this point. Here you can see the curve is approaching the point. If this point we have taken as equal to C, then just before reaching the point C, if you find the slope of tangent at just before this point, at every point you can see what happens to the slope of tangent. Let us discuss with this. Here the slope of tangent has positive value. Every point slope of tangent has positive value. Just before reaching the point also, the slope of tangent has positive value. But it is going to tend to plus infinity. From this side, at the point x equal to C, I mean one can say limit x tending to C minus f dash x is equal to plus infinity, and limit x tending to C plus f dash x, this is going to be minus infinity. Why? Just before the point C, if you find the slopes of tangents, every time it is a negative quantity, gradually it is tending to minus infinity when it is tending to the point C. Okay, but here concavity at cusp, concavity does not change. Concavity of the curve does not change. It will remain the same. The dy by dx sign changes. Okay. These two curves, you can see these two curves has cusp at the point x is equal to A. Concavity doesn't change here. Dy by dx has value negative, dy by dx has value positive. But we do not consider in case of this kind of curve. Normally it is not important for this kind of curve. This basically it is straight line. No, we consider concavity, we consider cusp at a point on a curve. This is in that sense not a curve made of two straight lines, but still by the definition, when you say dy by dx changes sign, there is a point of minima over there at the point. All these things true, but as this is not a curve in that sense, so we will not tell that this is the point where cusp exists. But this point, see, and here you can never make the slope of tangent equal to plus infinity or minus infinity, something like that. Okay, it is just at this point. Before that point the slope was permanently minus 1. At that point it is permanently plus 1. But for a curve, gradually, I told you that the value of dy by dx changes abruptly, or concavity also. Concavity, I mean that change is become very abrupt. The curve curves at very first rate at that point. It was curved this manner. At very first rate, it becomes curved in opposite manner. Okay. Here also concave down, here also concave down, but it was bending this manner. Here suddenly it bends this manner. So this is the point which we refer as cusp. Here you cannot perform the experiment because at every point, before reaching the point, say x is equal to 2, whatever you got, this dy by dx has fixed value. Here also after this point also dy by dx has the fixed value. So this point is the point where cusp exists. This is the point where cusp exists. This is the point where cusp exists. See, in all these three problems and these three curves, we have seen that the point dy by dx, at that point dy by dx changes its sign. Dy by dx just before the point changing in this manner abruptly. It was become plus infinity, then it becomes minus infinity. Or here in this case, just before the point it is minus infinity, just after the point it is plus infinity. Can you realize this? Just before the point x equal to 0, it is minus infinity, just after the point. If at any point it happens, what I wanted to say. But if it is fixed value, normally the point where cusp exists does not arise. Here this point, see, dy by dx changes abruptly. It was plus infinity, it was minus infinity. At this point it is plus infinity. Here just before the point minus infinity, again plus infinity. So these are the points where cusp exists. Let us do some experiment by taking a curve like y equal to, say we are taking y equal to mod of 4x square minus 1. Check whether cusp exists or not. For this curve, y equal to mod 4x square minus 1. Number 1. Can you see there is cusp for this sine curve? Y equal to sine 2x. Please check once. And then you check with this curve, y equal to 2x to the power 1/3 minus 3x to the power 1 by 5. Not be very easy to get here, but we'll try. Let us plot this one first. Mod 4x square minus 1. Check whether there is cusp or not for this curve. Y equal to mod 4x square minus 1. Again, you can draw the graph of y equal to 4 into x square minus 1 by 4. Or if you feel convenient, you write y equal to, this implies x square equal to y plus 1 by 4. So here vertex is 0, minus 1. And it will intersect, same. It will intersect at plus minus half. 0, minus 1 is the vertex. The graph will be like this. Then we will take mirror image of this about the x-axis. And then we will be removing the lower part. Just lower part is removed, not the upper part. So this is 1 by 2, 0. And this is 0, 0. Okay. Now, do you say that at this point there is a cusp? Question is there any cusp?
No, sir.
Is there any cusp at x equal to plus minus half? Why there is no cusp at x equal to plus minus half? Because yes, it does not change abruptly. It changes definitely, but not abruptly. Abruptly means like this. Suddenly it changes at that point. Just before that point, one thing, plus infinity, minus infinity. Just after the point, it is plus infinity. If it happens that way. So there is no cusp at x equal to plus minus half. Do you think for sine 2x there is a cusp? Try to plot the graph of sine 2x and then decide. Y equal to sine 2x. You all know how to plot it. Don't take time to plot. What are the points? This is the point x equal to 0. Here also. This is the point pi by 2. Like this. No cusp exists for this curve. Check with this one, number 3. Is there any cusp here? Y equal to minus 3x to the power 5. Yes? Does it exist? Check. One of the most important condition will be curve must be continuous. If it is discontinuous, this actually definition I didn't tell you, but the curve must be continuous. You all must seen that for these curves they are continuous. Then only cusp at a point we can decide. This must be continuous in the domain of definition. You check whether it is continuous or not. Why? How do you say that? For x tending to 0 minus it is plus infinity. Sure. Because it goes down. And for, but it's coming then infinity minus infinity. You cannot decide there. You have to do for this d square by dx square minus 4 by 9 x to the power minus 5 by 3 plus, here you can say something. 3 by 5, I mean 12 by x to the power minus 9 by 5. Are you getting anything meaningful here? D square by dx square, does the concavity change? If concavity changes, then it will not be. So you can write this. Yes. What, Devajyati or Ajitesh? Who is talking? Yes. Tell. So d square by dx square coming what? D square by dx square also we cannot decide. Dy by dx we cannot decide. D square by dx square also. Dy by dx here it is going to be 2 by 3 x to the power. Denominator is going, here also going to denominator. This part becoming infinity, this part. So it's becoming infinity minus infinity form. Okay, we cannot decide about the sign of dy by dx before a point or after a point. At x equal to 0, even it's becoming undefined one. At x equal to 0, the curve passes through origin. Yes, the curve passes through origin. That is true. But sign of dy by dx is not changing like that. It is not changing abruptly. So at the point x is equal to 0, we can say that it doesn't have any cusp. Is there any point of extrema over there? There also you can check. There is another way to verify. At the cusp, this is an important point here. At the cusp, the curve has either a maxima or a minima. Okay, not both together. It will here it does not have maxima or minima at the point x. Okay, so there is no cusp for this curve.